Hello, James. I am glad you could meet me at the library today.
Hello, Carla. Thank you for inviting me. This is a nice, quiet place.
Yes, I love coming here. It feels relaxing to be surrounded by books.
Do you come to the library often?
I try to visit every week. I always find a new book to read.
That is wonderful. I have not been to a library for a long time.
Really? Do you usually buy your books instead?
Yes, I usually buy them online, but I miss the feeling of a real book in my hands.
I understand. Holding a book and turning the pages feels special to me.
What kind of books do you like to read, Carla?
I enjoy novels and travel books. I also like mysteries sometimes.
Mysteries are interesting. My favorite book is a mystery. I have read it 3 times.
That sounds great. Maybe you can recommend it to me.
Of course, I will look for it on the shelf today.
Do you ever write in your books or always keep them clean?
I try to keep them clean, but sometimes I make small notes inside.
I do the same. It helps me remember what I learned.
Thank you for meeting me here, Carla. I enjoyed this talk.
I enjoyed it too, James. Have a wonderful day.
You too. See you next time.
It feels so nice to sit outside today. The sun is very pleasant.
I agree. The weather is perfect. The sunlight feels gentle, not too strong.
Do you often come here to enjoy the sun, Lucas?
Yes, I try to visit this park on sunny days. It helps me to relax and think.
I also love sitting under the trees and watching the lake. Today, the light is beautiful on the water.
You are right. The sun makes the lake shine. It is a peaceful view.
I once brought a book and read here for hours. The sun was so bright that day.
Did you finish your book or did you only watch the ducks?
Honestly, I looked at the ducks more than I read. They are entertaining.
I like to draw here sometimes. The sunlight changes the colors around the lake.
What do you draw, Lucas? Nature or people in the park?
Mostly nature. The sun and the trees inspire me. Sometimes I draw children playing or people reading.
That sounds wonderful. The sunlight makes everything look more beautiful.
Yes, I think we need sunlight for our mood. It makes the day feel brighter in many ways.
You are right. Even a short walk in the sun helps me feel better.
Would you like to meet here another day for a walk?
Yes, I would like that very much. Thank you for sitting with me today.
Thank you too. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
Hello, Emma. I see you here at the supermarket often.
Hi, Lucas. Yes, I like to shop here. The fruit looks so fresh today.
Do you always pick your fruit first when you shop?
Yes, I start with fruit and vegetables. They are important for my meals.
That makes sense. I often forget what I need. I should make a list like you.
A list helps me a lot. What do you plan to cook this week, Lucas?
I want to try a new pasta recipe. I still need to buy tomatoes and garlic.
That sounds delicious. I love pasta. Maybe you can also add some basil.
Basil is a great idea. I will get some now, thank you. What are you cooking tonight?
I want to make a vegetable stir fry. I just need some carrots and broccoli.
Do you know if the supermarket has ginger?
Yes, ginger is near the onions. Let me show you.
Thank you, Emma. You know this place very well.
I come here almost every week. I like finding new things on the shelves.
Next time I come to the supermarket, I hope you can give me more tips.
Of course, Lucas. It is always nice to talk and shop together.
Have a great afternoon, Emma.
Thank you, Lucas. Enjoy your shopping.
Anna, it is such a nice day to be at the park.
Yes, Lucas. It feels wonderful here. I love the sunlight through the leaves.
The trees look so green today. I like how quiet this place is.
Sometimes I come here to read or just watch people. It feels peaceful.
Do you come here often? I visit maybe once a week.
I try to visit twice a week, especially when the weather is nice like today.
Have you seen the new flowers by the water fountain? They look beautiful.
Yes, I just noticed them. The colors are so bright. I like the purple ones.
I tried taking a photo, but there was a small squirrel in the frame. It made me laugh.
That is funny. The squirrels here are always looking for snacks.
Next time, I will bring some nuts for them. I think they will like that.
That is a good idea. We could have a picnic together next week.
Yes, I would enjoy a picnic in the park. We can bring sandwiches and fruit.
Let us also bring something to drink. Maybe fresh lemonade.
That sounds perfect. A park picnic with lemonade is simple and nice.
Thank you for spending time with me today, Lucas.
I enjoyed this afternoon a lot. Have a wonderful week.
You too. I am looking forward to our next day at the park. This coffee shop is so peaceful. I like coming here in the afternoon.
I agree, Nina. The smell of coffee here is always nice.
Do you come here often, Marcus?
I come here once or twice a week. It helps me relax after work.
That sounds good. I like to read my book with a cup of coffee here.
I saw the book you brought. Is it interesting?
Yes, it is. The story is set in a small town, and the characters meet in a coffee shop too.
That is a fun connection. Maybe many good stories begin with coffee.
Maybe you are right. Coffee shops are great places for meeting friends.
I enjoy sharing coffee with people I like. The atmosphere makes it easy to talk.
Do you have a favorite drink here?
I usually choose a cappuccino, but today I wanted a simple black coffee.
I like their cappuccino too. Today I tried the chai latte, and it is sweet.
That sounds nice. I might try it next time.
Sharing new drinks with friends is fun. Thank you for coming here with me.
Thank you for inviting me, Nina. I always enjoy our conversations.
Me too. Have a lovely rest of your day.
You too. See you again soon.
David, would you like some more tea? The pot is right here on the table.
Yes, please, Julia. This tea tastes very nice today.
I am glad that you enjoy it. I bought a new kind of tea last week.
Oh, what kind is it? I can taste something different.
It has some orange and cinnamon. I thought the flavor would be good in the afternoon.
Yes, it is very warm and comforting. The flowers on the table look lovely too.
Thank you. I picked them from my garden this morning. Fresh flowers make me feel happy.
That is nice. Your dining room always feels so peaceful, Julia.
I try to keep it simple and bright. I like having a clear table to sit and talk.
At my house, the table is always full of papers. Maybe I need to put some flowers there too.
Flowers or a bright cloth can change the feeling very much. Even a small change is nice.
Do you eat your meals here every day, or do you sometimes use another room?
Yes, I eat here most days. Sometimes I bring friends for coffee at this table too.
That sounds pleasant. This table must have many good memories.
It does. I feel grateful for small things like sharing tea and a nice talk with a friend.
Thank you for inviting me this afternoon. I feel very welcome here.
Thank you for coming, David. It is always a joy to share some time together.
It feels great to finally visit the cinema again. The atmosphere is so lively.
Yes, I missed coming here with you. It is one of my favorite places.
Do you remember the last film we watched together here?
It was that adventure movie with lots of action and special effects. It was a fun evening.
I still think about the scene with the car chase. It made me laugh a lot.
That was a good moment. I also liked the popcorn. Cinema popcorn always tastes better.
You are right. I could eat a whole bucket by myself. The smell makes it impossible to resist.
What kind of movie do you feel like watching tonight?
I think I am in the mood for a comedy. I want something light and funny.
Comedy sounds good to me. Did you see any interesting movie posters in the lobby?
Yes, there is a poster for a new comedy about two friends on a road trip. It looks promising.
That sounds perfect. I enjoy movies about friendship and travel. Should we try that one?
Yes, let us do that. Do you want to buy snacks before we go inside?
Sure. I will get popcorn and maybe some chocolates. Do you want anything special?
Popcorn is enough for me. Thank you for offering.
It is my pleasure. I am glad we could meet tonight.
Me too. It is nice to share time together. Shall we go find our seats?
Absolutely. Thank you for a lovely evening.
Thank you as well. Enjoy the movie.
It is such a nice afternoon, Maya. The park feels very peaceful today.
Yes, I really enjoy sitting here. The air smells fresh and soft.
Do you often come to this park? I only discovered it last month.
Sometimes I walk here after work. The flowers always make me feel calm.
They are beautiful. My favorite flowers are tulips. I see many of them here.
That is funny. Tulips are also my favorite. Their colors are so bright and happy.
I read that flowers can help people feel better when they are sad.
Do you give flowers as gifts sometimes?
I do, for birthdays or special days. My mother loves red roses.
That is very kind. I sometimes buy myself flowers on Fridays.
That is a lovely idea, Maya. Maybe I will do that too.
Yes, it makes my home feel nice. I put flowers in a blue vase in my kitchen.
Right now, these beds of colorful flowers look like a painting.
Maybe we can take a picture together next to the tulips before we leave.
That is a great idea. I would love a photo with the flowers.
Thank you for coming to the park with me today.
Thank you for inviting me, Maya. Have a wonderful day.
You too, Lucas. See you soon.
This lounge feels very nice. I like the big windows.
Yes, it is bright and comfortable. The cars look really shiny today.
Do you remember the first time you bought a car?
Yes, I was a bit nervous. The saleswoman was very helpful, though.
I think my first car was very old. It made funny noises when I drove it.
My first car did not even have air conditioning. I used to keep the windows open.
Cars today are so different. They have screens and cameras everywhere.
It is true. I saw one with a seat that gives you a massage. I never imagined that before.
What do you look for most in a car now?
I like comfort and good gas mileage. Safety is important for me, too.
I always check for enough trunk space. I often travel with my dog.
That makes sense. I can imagine your dog loves car rides.
He really does. He sleeps almost the whole trip.
Maybe one day I will get a car just for driving to the mountains on weekends.
That sounds like a great plan. A small adventure car would be nice for you.
Thank you for talking about this with me. I feel good about shopping today.
Of course. I hope you find the perfect car.
See you soon and have a wonderful day.
This cafe is so peaceful. I really enjoy coming here after work.
I agree. The atmosphere is relaxing, and the books make it even better.
Do you hear the music playing now? It is soft, but very nice.
Yes, I noticed it. I think it is classical piano. It fits this place very well.
Classical music always helps me concentrate. Do you listen to music when you read?
Sometimes I do. I prefer calm music, nothing too loud. And you?
I also like quiet music. Sometimes I put on jazz or soft folk songs.
Jazz sounds interesting. Do you have a favorite artist?
I really enjoy listening to Norah Jones. Her voice is so gentle.
I know Norah Jones. Her songs are perfect for relaxing. My mother listens to her a lot.
That is nice. Music really connects people, even family members.
Yes, I think so too. Sometimes we listen to music together on weekends.
Do you play any instruments?
Not really, but I tried to learn the guitar once. I was not very good at it.
I tried piano when I was a child. My hands were always all over the place.
Learning music is not easy, but it is fun. Maybe one day you will try again.
Maybe I will. Thank you for talking with me about music.
Thank you too. It was a really nice conversation.
Have a wonderful evening.